Good morning, students. This lesson is for class 3 for the subject of mathematics, topic multiplication, which is covered in chapter 4, multiplication, starting on page number 52 of your textbook, titled Essential Mathematics, Srijan, and is being submitted to you on 5th of July 2021. Dear children, I hope that you all might have learnt and written the tables in your previous class and are aware of the term multiplication. Multiplication is denoted by the sign of cross. When we multiply two numbers, the answer thus obtained is known as product. Students, let us first learn how repeated addition and multiplication are related with the help of given examples. Now children, as you can see, repeated addition means when a number is repeated. Here 2 is repeated 2 times, which means 2 times 2 is 4, and also 2 plus 2 is 4. Similarly, 3 times 3, adding of 3, how many times? 3 times. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 gives us 9. That means 3 times 3 is 9. Similarly here, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. That means 4 times 5 gives us the answer as 20. Then the addition of 7. How many times? 5 times. It is 5 times 7 is equal to 35. So, when we need to add the same number many times, so instead of adding, multiply how many times that number is repeated. Hence, multiplication is also known as repeated addition. Let us check this with some more examples. As in example number 1, 3 times 4. That is, when we are adding 4, how many times? 3 times. The answer is 12. Then 5 times 6. That is, the addition of 6, how many times? 5 times. And the answer is 30. The third part is 4 times 8. How many times? It is 4 times 8. Adding 4 times 8, we get the answer as 32. And also 4 8s is 32. Similarly, 6 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 5 will give the answer as 30. So this is how multiplication and repeated addition are related. Dear children, tables play most important role in multiplication. So learning of tables is very important to understand the concept of multiplication. Tables are needed to do fast and accurate calculations. All of you now may please open page number 58 of your books and do question number 1, 2 and 5. You may pause the lesson here for 3 minutes. Break time is over now. Let us first check our answers. Let us check out for the answers of question number 1 of exercise 4.1. In the A part, as we can see, this is the repeated addition of 6. How many times it is repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it is 6 times 6 is 36. We don't have to write here the answer as 36. We need to just write how many times we have multiplied the given number. Similarly, the B part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is 9 times 7. It is 9 times 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is 6 times 8. Similarly, you have to solve the other parts. The answer to D part is 7 times 9 and the answer to E part is 7 times 10. Now check out for the answers of the question number 2, which is fill in the boxes. Here we have to write which number we are adding or which number we are adding and how many times it is written over there. So as per the A part, this is the addition of 6. How many times? 5 times. So it is 5 times 6. Then in the B part, it is 9 times 7. In the C part, it is 6 times which number? 8. In the D part, it is 8 times 9. And in the E part, it is 9 times 10. Now let us check out the answers for the dodging tables. As you all know, 2 8s is 16. 7 8s is 56. 3 6s is 18. Similarly, 8 6s, 9 7s, 6 7s is you have to write down the answers for these. Let us check out the answers also. 8 6s, 48. 9 7s, 63. 6 7s, 42. 7 7s, 49. 2 6s, 12. 2 7s, 14. 9 10s, 90. 3 8s, 24. And 10 7s, 70, 70. So dear children, I hope you all might have got the correct answers. And let us now proceed to our next subpart and learn how to do the vertical multiplication without carryover. So as per the example number 1, multiply 1201 by 4. First of all children, arrange the numbers in proper columns as we have to multiply it with the 1-digit number. So what we have to do, first you have to multiply the digit at the ones place, like 4 ones are 4, 4 zeros are 0, 4 twos are 8 and 4 ones are 4. Fine. Now in example number 2, we have to multiply 2311 by again a single digit number which is 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9 and 3 twos are is 6. Just consider that you have to multiply by arranging the digits in proper columns. First multiply with ones number, then tens, then hundreds and then thousands. Now we will learn how to do the vertical multiplication with carryover. Now you will be getting here the carryover also. So as per the example 1 of this type, multiply 800